Hello friends, today I will give you the demo of Whirlpool automatic washing machine, the model AWO/D8810. Let's start. I put laundry inside, close the hook, gate, switch it on. Okay, next step is put the liquid or detergent. If you have a detergent powder, just keep this hook up and put it inside, or if you have a liquid, keep this down and put it inside. Okay, so we have a detergent powder, we keep this up. Okay, done. And it's additional for softener. This sign for the softener. We have comfort. Little bit as you like. Just close this. This one for the pre-wash liquid, any bleach you want to put it on. Okay, now we do the quick wash for 30 minutes. We set it for the quick wash 30. This one, this you can rotate. So this is closed. Let's start. Let's play. Let's start. This is the play button. That's all. After 30 minutes, it will finish. Let me tell you more functions. This is the pre-wash symbol. This is the main wash symbol. This is a rinse laundry symbol. This is a rinse and hold symbol. For rinse and hold, you have to also press this button and it will activate. Okay. Like you want to put laundry sometime in the water and you want to hold it until you come and see you want to do something, change the program. This is the spinning. You can set 1800, 600, 400 by changing this. By pressing this again and again, it will change the spinning speed. So this program has everything pre-configured. You don't need to do anything. So we have not set any pre-wash, so that's why it's just jump to the main wash. If there is any issues, error sign, it can show here. Water tap is not open or any problem. This is the model is Whirlpool 6th Sense AWO/D8810 A+, antibacterial. This put a delay sign if you want to start washing machine after some time, like you are going out, you press this and after that time it will start. This for economy sign. Pre-wash is for the steamer sign if you want to iron the laundry immediately and it will steam the laundry. This is rinse sign and this is the rinse and hold. This is the spinning. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe. If you need any assistance regarding any technically tools, please let me know. Thank you very much. Bye.